Hey juicers, here's a brain buster for you. What is the difference between the system used to represent numbers and mathematics? Well, mathematics and number systems evolved independently from each other. Our modern place value number system was developed in India, while our mathematic ideals come from Babylon, Egypt, and Greece. In fact, the Babylonians used base 60, not base 10, and that started about 5,000 years ago. They developed an algebra that was used to solve linear and quadratic problems, the kind seen in first-year algebra today, but with a base 60 instead of 10. Imagine trying to do algebra but using numbers the way we use them on a clock. Arabic numbers, which is what we use today, were developed in North Africa. Al-Nasawi first wrote about this system of counting in the 11th century. About that same time, Egyptians used base 10 to represent numbers, but it was a base 10 system that was not a place value system like our current Arabic numbers. And the algebra that they developed was similar to the Babylonians, but base 10. The ancient Greeks used various systems depending on what the area of study was, including the base 60 system that came from the Babylonians. In fact, Euclid wrote his elements without writing any numbers at all except to number his propositions. This is because none of that is affected by the development of mathematics. Mathematics isn't so much about individual computations, it's about universal statements. Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. It doesn't matter what those individual number representations are so much as what concepts you learn that help you apply those ideas to future similar problems. Math is about solving problems facing us in our everyday life and sometimes much beyond that. Learning those early ideas is what helps us have the building blocks to solve how to do great big things like go to Mars or calculate the depth of the surface of the Earth or, well, figure out how to double that chocolate chip cookie recipe. Next time you're doing math and you think to yourself, ugh, why am I even trying to learn this? Try to keep in mind that math is everywhere, and it's better to understand it than to not. And that's the juice.